Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Speaking Practice Podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jessica. And today we have a very powerful topic for beginners.
Yes, today we're talking about something simple but extremely important.
And that is how to ask questions in English.
Because let me tell you something honestly, if you can ask questions, you can speak English.
Exactly. Many beginners think they need big vocabulary, perfect grammar, difficult sentences.
But the truth is, conversation starts with questions.
Always.
Think about it. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you say?
What's your name?
That's a question.
When you go to a restaurant?
Can I see the menu?
Shop.
How much is this?
Lost somewhere.
Where is the bathroom? Very important question.
So today, we will teach you how to ask questions confidently, correctly, and naturally.
And we will practice together. Don't just listen, speak with us. First, let's understand something very simple. In English, there are two main types of questions: WH questions and yes or no questions.
That's it. Very simple.
Let's start with WH questions. These are what, where, when, why, who, which, and how. If you master these, your English level improves immediately.
Let's start with what. We use what to ask about information or things. For example, what is your name? What do you do? What is your favorite food? What time is it? What is this? Now repeat after me. What is your name?
Good. Now again, louder. What is your name?
Perfect. Now, what do you do?
Beginners sometimes forget the structure. Remember this formula: question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, what do you do? Do is helping verb, you is subject, do is main verb. Simple.
Now let's talk about where. We use where to ask about place. Where are you from? Where do you live? Where is my phone? Where is the bank? Where do you work?
Let's practice. Where are you from?
Where do you live?
Where is your bag?
I always lose my bag at home.
Same. And then we ask everyone, where is my bag, even when we live alone?
Next is when. When is about time. When is your birthday? When does the class start? When will you come? When did you arrive? Repeat, when is the meeting?
When will you call me?
Notice something important. For present simple, when does she work? For past, when did she arrive? After did, use base verb. Not arrived, just arrive.
Now why. We use why for reasons. Why are you late? Why are you sad? Why do you want to learn English? Why is she angry?
That last one is powerful. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for a job, for travel, for confidence, for exams? When you know your why, your motivation becomes stronger.
Next is who. We use who for people. Who is she? Who called you? Who is your teacher? Who are they? Who helped you?
Easy and useful.
Now the most flexible word. How. How are you? How old are you? How much is this? How many students are there? How do you spell your name? How was your day? How can I improve my English?
That last question, very popular on this channel.
Yes, we get that every day. Now let's move to yes or no questions. These questions start with helping verbs: do, does, did, is, are, can, will, and should.
Use do with I, you, we, they. Do you like coffee? Do they play football? Do we have homework? Repeat, Do you like English?
Use does with he, she, and it. Does she work here? Does he speak English? Does it rain a lot here? Important rule. After does, use base verb. Not does she works. Correct, does she work? This mistake is very common. Don't worry, practice fixes it.
Now past tense. Did. Did you eat? Did she call you? Did they finish the project? Did he understand? Again, base verb. Not called, not finished, just base verb.
Now is and are. Are you ready? Is she your sister? Are they students? Is it cold outside? Very simple.
And can. Can you help me? Can I sit here? Can she drive? Can we start now? These are very polite and useful in daily life.
Now let's practice real conversation. Imagine meeting someone for the first time. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name's Jessica. What's your name?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Spain.
What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
See? Just simple questions, but conversation continues. Now let's imagine you are at a restaurant.
Excuse me, can I see the menu?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is very good.
How much is it?
It's $12.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not.
Great, I'll take it.
Simple questions make everything easy. Now imagine you are shy. You want to talk, but you're nervous. Your mind says, what if I make a mistake? What if my grammar is wrong? What if they laugh? Listen carefully. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes.
Even we make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, and sometimes we laugh at ourselves.
The goal is communication, not perfection. If you say, where you go, people understand. Later, you improve and say, where are you going? Step by step.
Now let's do fast practice. Speak quickly. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? Do you like pizza? Can you help me? Why are you late? When is the class? Did you call me? Is she your friend? How much is this? Great job. Now, quick fun round. Coffee or tea?
Coffee. You?
Tea.
Why tea?
Because I feel relaxed, and coffee makes me too active.
Morning or night?
Morning. You?
Night.
Why?
Because I love quiet time at night.
See? Simple questions create longer conversation naturally. Now your daily challenge. Today, ask 5 questions in English. At home, at work, online, in comments, with friends. Even in the mirror. Ask yourself, how was my day? What did I learn today? Why am I learning English? How can I improve tomorrow? Remember this. If you can ask questions, you can make friends, travel confidently, give interviews, study abroad, build confidence, start conversations anywhere. Questions are the key. Start small. 1 question today. 2 questions tomorrow. 10 questions next week.
And slowly, English becomes natural.
If you enjoyed practicing with us, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Tell us in the comments, what question do you use the most?
And what question is difficult for you?
We'll help you in the next episode.
Keep practicing
Keep asking questions.
and keep improving your English.
Bye, everyone.